Hello, today I will speak about systems of equation with three variables and fractions. I will explain one example with three equations. X divided by 2 plus y divided by 3 minus z divided by 4 equal 2. The second equation, x divided by 3 minus y divided by 2 plus z divided by 5 equal 1. And the third equation, x divided by 4 plus y divided by 5 plus z divided by 6 equal 3. And I will find the value of x and y and z. I will begin with eliminate the denominators by multiplication. When I look at the first equation, I know if I multiply it with 12, I can eliminate 2 and 3 and 4. So the first step, I will multiply the first equation with 12. And when I look at the second equation, I have 3 and I have 5 and 2. I know 5 by 1 equal 5 and 2 by 1 equal 2, 3 by 1 equal 3. 5 by 2 by 3 equal 5 by 2, 10 by 3, 30. So I will multiply the second equation with 30 because I want to eliminate the denominators. The third equation, I will multiply it with, I have 6 and I have 5 and 4. 6 equal 3 by 2, 5 equal 5 by 1, and 4 equal 2 by 2. To choose which number I multiply the third equation with, I will take 3 and 2 because I have just one of every numbers, and I will take 5. 1 it doesn't matter. Here I will take just one. When I have par, I will take one of them, and I will multiply 3 by 2 by 5 by 2, 2 by 5 by 3 by 2, 6 by 5, 3 by 2, 6 by 5, 30, 30 by 2, 60. So the suitable number I must multiply the third equation with is 60 by 60. Okay. 12 by x divided by 2, 12x divided by 2 plus 12 divided by y divided by 3, it will be 12 by 3 minus 12 divided 12 by z, 12 by z divided by 4 equal 2 by 12, 2 by 12. So I will multiply 12 with every term in the first equation. Then I will shorten 2 with 2, 6 here, the first term, with 3. If I divided 12 with 3, it will be 1 here and 4 here I will get, and 12 by divided by 4, it will be 1 here and 3 here, and this we will multiply. So the first equation, it will be 6x plus 4y minus 3z equal 24, because 2 by 12 is 24. Then I will multiply 30 with all the terms in the second equation, and I will get 30 by x divided by 3, 30 x divided by 3. With this, my first equation, it became so, and look like this equation. The first equation, 30 by minus y, 30 by y, 30y divided by 2, 30 plus 30 by z, 30z divided by 5 equal 1 by 30. So I multiply 30 with all the terms. Now I 30 divided by 3, shorten here, it will be 10. 30 divided by 2, here 1, here 15. 30 divided by 5 equals 6, and 30 by 1 equal 30. So the second equation, it will be 10x minus 15 y plus 6 z equal 30. Well, this is the second equation. And I have my third equation, I will multiply 60 with all the terms, and I will get 60 by x divided by 4, 60 x divided by 4 plus 60 y divided by 5 plus 60 z divided by 6 equal 3 by 60. Divided by 4, 15. 60 divided by 5, 12. And 60 divided by 6 equal 10. And 3 by 60, 180. So the third equation, 15x plus 12y plus 10z equal 180. With this is the third equation. I'll continue at the second another side of the whiteboard. The first thing I did it was eliminate the denominators by multiplication, and I get the first equation 6x plus 4y minus 3z equal 24. And the second equation 10x minus 15y plus 6z equal 30. And the third equation 15x plus 12y plus 10z equal 180. This is the first equation, and this the second equation, and this the third equation. Now I will I will use the elimination of one of my variables, and I will work with the first equation and the second equation. If I look at the first equation, if I want to this term to be 30, I will multiply all this equation with 5, and this equation, if I want it, I will eliminate x. I will multiply 10 with 3. So I will multiply all the equation, the second equation with 3. So the first equation, 5 by 6, right here, by 5 by 2. I will multiply all the equation, the first equation with 5, the second equation with 3, not 2. I'm sorry, because I need 30 here, the first term in the both of equations. 5 by 6 equal 30x, 5 by 4 plus equal 20y, 5 by 3 equal minus 15z, because I have minus here, and 5 by 24 equal 120, 5 by 24. Then this is my first equation, and then I will multiply 3 with all the terms in the second equation, and it will be 3 by 10, 30x, 3 by minus 15, 45y, 3 by 6z plus 18z equal 3 by 30, 90. Now, subtraction. I will use subtraction because I want to eliminate x, the variable x. So step by step, I will get the values of all the variables. 30 minus 30x minus 30x, it will be 0. 20 minus minus be plus, it will be plus. 20 plus 45 plus 65y minus 15z minus 18 minus 33z equal 120 minus 90 equal 30. And this equation, I will call it for equation 4, then I will work with the first equation and the third equation, and I want to eliminate x, so I need to multiply the third equation with 2. So the third equation with 2. I will write the first equation. I don't need to multiply it again with 5, so I will write it. My first equation, 6x plus 4y minus here 30x, here the first equation, after I multiply it with 5, plus 20y minus 15z equal 120. Then I will take the third. Now, first I worked with equation 1 and 2. Now I will work with equation 1 and 3. So this is the first equation. After I multiply it with 5. Now the third equation, I will multiply it with 2. 2 by 15, 30x. 2 plus, I have 2 by 12, 24 y. 2 by 10 plus 20 z, and 2 by 180, it will be 360, and this is my third equation. I will do subtraction, and I want to subtract the first equation from the third equation. So I will write it again here. This 30x plus 20y plus minus 15z equal 120, and this is the first equation after I multiply it with 5. Okay, now subtraction, minus 30 minus 30, it will be 0. 24 minus 20, 4y. 24 minus 24, 4y. 20z minus 15z, it will be plus 35z. And 360 minus 120, it will be 240. 240. And this my fifth equation. So I need my fourth and fifth equation now to get the value of y, and then I will substitute it into the fourth equation. From the fifth equation, I will get y from 4y plus 35z equal 240. 4y equal 240 minus 35z. When I change the place of 35 z to another side of equal sign, I will change the sign also. It will be minus. Then I will divide the two sides with 4, and y equal 240 minus 35z divided by 4. Now I will change, instead of y, I will write this this value 240 minus 35z divided by 4. So I will substitute into equation 4. Equation 4, 65y minus 33z equal 30, and instead of y I will write all this to get the value of z. 65 multiplied by 240 minus 35z divided by 4 minus 33z equal 30. And I will multiply 65 with 240 and then with minus 35z, and I will get 15,600 minus 2,275 divided by 4 minus 33z equal 30. Then 15,600 minus 2,275z, forget z here, z minus 130 divided by 4, 2 divided by 4 equal 30. Z. Then 15,600 minus 2,407 z equal 120. Then I will change place for 15,600 to another side, and I will change the sign. Minus 2,407 z equal 120 minus 15,600, and then it will be minus 2,407 z equal minus 15,480, then z equal 6.43. Now I will find the now I found the z value. I will find the y value from 5, from 5. 4y plus 35z equal 240, and z equal 6.43. 4y plus 35 by 6.43 equal 240. 4y equal, I will change it, I will multiply 35 with 6.43, and it will be 225.05 of 5 equal 240. Then I will change the place for 225.05 to another side, and I will change the sign. 4y equal 240 minus 225.05. 4y equal 14.95, and then I will divide it by 4, the both sides. By 4 to y equal 374. Now I will substitute back x, so I will work with the first equation. Because I get the value of y equal 3.74 and the value of z, so I will write the equation number 1 to find the value of x. This is from 1. 6x plus 4 by 3.74 minus 3 by 6.43 equal 24. Then I will multiply 4 with 3.74, 3 with 6.43, and I will get 6x plus 14.96 minus 19.29 equal 24. Then 6x minus plus 14.96 minus 19.29 equal minus 4.33 equal 24. Then I will change the place of 4.33 to another side after the sign, and I will change the sign also. It will be 24 plus 433. 0.33. 6x equal 28.33 and divided by 6 to the both sides. X equal 4.72. So the answer x equal 4.72, y 3.74, and z equal 643.43. So we found all the values of the three variables, and I hope it was useful to you, and see you in another new lesson. Goodbye.